Your mother's cranky.
What's his name? Eli. Eli, how you doing, buddy? He's a big dog, eh? Eli? He's a big dog. Is this how big they get, or do they get any bigger?
He's full grown now.
Yeah.
He might fill out a bit more.
He's really playful, eh? He just wants to go. Magnum just wants to get it on. Look at him go. Look at Magnum. You watch out, Magnum. You're gonna get hurt.
I know, life's tough when you're cranky.
Magnum, what are you doing to the poor dog?
Eli, come here, bud. Eli, come. Come here, good boy.
Does he listen pretty good?
Oh, yeah. Really stubborn.
Okay, Magnum, come.
Eli.
Don't.
Magnum. 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 Kom on. Magnum.
Jeg kom John med den hund sammen. Can't stay away from him. How can they get so playful? I don't know. Yeah. Magnum's never played like this with a dog before. No. Magnum, you poor little. He's pretty playful, eh, Mags?